Okay, hours spent on homework here. And it says, what is the mean number of hours? Okay, now remember, when you work out the mean number of hours, or the mean of anything, you need to add them all up and divide by how many are there. So if we were to add them up, this is what we need to do. Now, because these are mixed numbers, some of them, right, got to be careful how we add them up. What I would do is I would add the whole numbers first. So I would do this. Okay, so you notice I got 1 there, 3, 3, and 3. I'd add those whole numbers and I get 11. And then I'm going to add the fractions. So 1/4 plus 3/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Okay. Now we can add those fractions together because the value on the bottom is the same. So we've got so many quarters here. How many have we got? 1, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 quarters. Here we have. Let me check again. 1, 3, 1, and 1 makes 6. So 6, that comes to 6 quarters. Okay, 6 quarters. Now, this here is a fraction which we could simplify, couldn't we? 6/4. We could halve top and bottom. So we get 3/2. Okay, but it's actually an improper fraction, isn't it? It's a top-heavy fraction. So we could write this now as a mixed number, couldn't we? 2 goes into 3 once, with 1 left over 2. Okay, so that's what all my fractions add up to, 1.5. Plus then that 11, so the total sum will equal to 11 and 1.5 makes 12.5. Okay, but remember, to get the mean, I need to divide 12.5 by, how many have I got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to divide by 5. How many is there? Now 12.5 divided by 5, right? Lots of ways you can think about this. You could think of it in terms of money if you wanted to, like £12.50 divided by 5. That might help you come to the answer. There's lots of ways you could do it. I mean, maybe one effective way is just to do the bus stop method. Okay. So think of 12.5 as 12.5, yeah? And we're dividing by 5. So 5 into 1 doesn't go, so we carry it. 5 into 12 goes twice, remainder 2. And 5 into 25 goes 5 times, so 2.5 hours, okay? 2.5 hours is the average, okay? Is the mean average, 2.5 hours or 2.5. You know, you could have worked that out from there. Maybe, you know, sometimes if you think in terms of money, £12.50 divided by 5 is £2.50, right? You could have got it that way. But whichever way, you've got the answer here, looking at different approaches.